everyone, hope you're doing well. This is a Ninja Auto IQ 1000 watt. Few days ago I was working with it and I could smell something is like burning. And I opened this and I saw some smoke were coming up. And that happened actually before as well, but this time I could see the smoke had gone to my food that I was blending. And I searched online, internet, YouTube, and people were suggesting actually to buy a new one of these, which was about 25 Canadian dollar. And there are 6 fins and 7 fins. Then you have options of buying the 6 fins if yours is 6 fins, or the 7 fin. And the parts were not actually from Ninja company, so it was like a third party company building it. So I didn't like it, to be honest. So I was thinking how to fix this, what I have, because the parts was not from Ninja. And then I realized, some people open this, and when there is a screw, they open it, they clean it, they put it back. Even some people were using the WD-40 spray, how they use it on something that they actually want to put food in there. So again, I had to think more, and then I found the easy solution I want to share with you. And the solution was that actually I boiled the water and I poured it around this, and every time that I was pouring the water, I was turning it, then pouring the water. It was boiling hot water around this again. Then I see it was better because it was not turning at all. It was very difficult to turn it. That's how, with boiling water here and turning it a bit, it became a bit better, but not a lot. Then I turned it this way, and I put some water inside this. It didn't work again. It was not as good as I wanted it. And in the end, I realized actually I need to put the hot water around this here in this area. So what I did, I put it there. I put the boiling water and I put it around the area. Then I started, turning it with my fingers. I did it like 15 times, so I could change the water. And every time that I was pouring the water to the drain, I could see the water was brown, and some pieces were in the water as well. So boiling water around it, turned it in different direction for like 20 seconds or 30 seconds. I have to be careful. I burnt myself like 2 or 3 times, so you should be careful. Do it maybe with the gloves or something that it doesn't burn you. Anyways, it worked, and I'm gonna put some water, just normal water, to clean this, and I basically used it. So in this way I cleaned the blade as well, and everything is working. So the summary is pouring like boiling water around this, in the gap, not inside. I'll show you here is this round, this side, not here. Okay, and just turn it for 20 or 30 times, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and it works. Especially when you see the water that you have pour here, when you drain it, you can see that this like color is with it. Like in my case, it was brown. Then you know that it's cleaning something.